waiting for more people to join like always. I think I should come online 2 minutes early every time so that there is some bracket of people, sort of joining in. Alright, so 100 people and then I'll start. Hope you all are doing sorry. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are drinking water. Hope you all are taking good care of your mental health. Hope you all are checking up on each other. I think that is what we need the most at this point in time, to take care of each other, to be empathetic and to really watch out and to be there for each other. Well, that having said that, for today I'm going to call on Rajat. Rajat, if you guys remember a 2010 film Udaan, this sweet little boy who really won our hearts and really created a benchmark for the Indian cinema. Ever since, we have not seen much of him. What could be the reason? What happened? So to discuss all of those things, to discuss about his experiences, his learnings from Bollywood, Rajat will be joining us. Rajat, if you can hear me, please send in a request so that I can add you. How are you all doing? Tell me, guys, by the time Rajat joins. Well, a lot of you guys are commenting about nepotism and this and that. I know this whole Twitter debate has been happening, and I really want to stay away from all of those, noise, and sit down and have a very mindful conversation. And I think Rajat is the best person who will be able to tell us more about it, because he has been. Rajat पर में चलेगा guys. रजत बोल रही हूँ मैं, पूरा नाम नहीं बोल रही. Okay.
And
Hi,
here I
Rajat.
am. Hi, what's up? How are you?
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी, आपको आ रही है?
You can't hear anything.
Can you hear me now?
अब आ रही है
Can you
थोड़ी
hear me
थोड़ी.
now?
You were like you're freezing. You're freezing.
I don't know. I can see you very clear.
Do you want to rejoin, Rajat, if you can hear? Up, so that I know that okay, Rajat will join once again. Cool. Three seconds. It takes 3 seconds. That's it. 1, 2. Okay, today is not the day. Forgive me. Some issue. I don't know what is happening.
Some days are just.
It's just technology, guys. Hi, Rajat.
Can you hear me now?
I can. Can you hear me?
I can. I could hear you before also, and it's not.
Okay.
मेरा इंटरनेट तो ठीक चल रहा है इधर.
मेरा भी इंटरनेट ठीक चल रहा है यार. ऐसे मेरे इंटरनेट को कुछ मत बोलो तुम.
No, I think it should be fine. It's just technology, I guess.
Yeah, let's just blame it on some other people, because that's what we've been doing. We've been just blaming each other for things that go wrong. I think that is who we are. Won't you agree, Rajat?
I don't know. Here when it comes to when it comes to technology, I don't think we need to blame anyone. It's just technology. Let's blame it.
Let's blame anyway. So first of all, thank you for joining the Logical Indian today, Rajat.
Thank you. I really like the way you started of how we need to take care of each other right now with all the mental health and everything. So yeah, a good point to start with. So thank you, but thank you so much for having me. This is it's great to be here. yeah, you guys are doing some really, really good work. So it's a pleasure to be a part of this.
So, like I was telling you the other day, I wanted to talk to you because you've been vocal and in a very, very mindful way, not really like doing all the, this very nasty Twitter fight and Facebook fight and social media things, the noise that has been going on around. So, Rajat, maybe I just want to start with, well, you have been in Bollywood, you have seen it as an insider. Your film, Udan had done really well, and you were one of the. You had set a benchmark, and Udan is a film that is remembered even today. What happened? Why didn't we see you after that more often?
So, uh, so there's no like we've spoken a little about this, but then as I said earlier, like there's no one straight answer to this thing. There are a lot
Yeah.
of factors that uh, like they go behind something not working out, I feel. So so because right now, the entire this thing of nepotism or anything, like it's just it's the everything is going on. So like what we just said, it's like we blame each other, like so we blame people, we blame things, and we blame, like it's just a blame game. More than that, I feel it's a mix of everything together. Maybe I was too young to be and the cinema has changed in the past 5 years. Maybe 10 years back, people were not looking at investing in a film with a 20-year-old boy, and who's also not from like, yeah, he doesn't come from a background. So that could be the reason. At the same time, uh, I even to be very honest, when I'm talking about this, even I don't know exactly kahan galat jati hai cheezein. But then yeah, that's how it is. So it could be some I rejected a few things. Some things could be my problem, but then I didn't want to be a part of things where it's a big film with you being a very small and non-important part of it. So I didn't want to do that, so I said no to a few things. So I'm not a party person. Like, I love to party with my friends, to sit in a friend's house and chill, but I can't go socialize too much and do those kind of things. So so it could be a lot of things together कि मैंने वो नहीं किया. Maybe in those parties you meet people where things take place, and then it leads to something. uh, also I don't come like I started my career with a film directed by Vikramaditya Motwani, produced by Anurag Kashyap. And Anurag himself, he's struggled to be where he is today. He's really, really worked hard to be at a point where he is so influential. So I think also coming from that ideology, maybe somewhere also I didn't want to be in that zone, and I wanted to follow what maybe someone like an Anurag Kashyap would. कि अपनी मेहनत करो, अपना give your 100%, and then see where life takes you. So
So, yeah.
yeah, it could be a lot
Do
of
you
things.
think, Raj? Yeah. So, do you think, Rajat, that if you had, had you been someone coming from a background, so to say, would you have done more films and more lead roles and all that?
Uh, uh, that's a situation which could be like a maybe. Yes, I feel somewhere, because I can't be certain about everything. Obviously, I can't say कि हाँ वो होता ही. But as far as my personally, what I feel is maybe yes, because for a lot of producers, especially producers, it's a business, right? It's a and it's fair. You are putting in your money where you want returns. So maybe if I came from like with a background, they had more scope for money coming back. Maybe it would come with me as well, but then that is not a certain like it's not certain, right? So maybe a producer doesn't want to put in money because you don't come from a background, or with a, yeah, with someone backing you. But at the same time, when it comes to acting, because you couldn't doubt it, because people really said that I could act, and which I also believe that I'm not bad for sure. If you don't say that I'm the best actor you have, I'm not bad for sure, I know that. So there it's a maybe. Yes, I could have, but it didn't happen. So but then that made me learn so much more. I learned so much more because I didn't get success back then, so that taught me so much. And that's why when you like when people say about कि अरे आपने struggle किया या ये, मैंने कहा नहीं, मैंने struggle नहीं किया, मेरे experiences हुए हैं. I've had my share of experiences, so I don't call it a struggle because those experiences maybe they made me feel bad at certain point, but then they didn't I didn't have to struggle, like literally, because struggle is a big word. A lot of people they really struggle. So I've never slept hungry. So I can't call myself like coming from a struggle wala background. But then I did learn a lot in these 10 years.
I will come back to you to ask what all have you learned, of course. But one thing that I was also, sort of thinking is that people like you or people like, other people who are coming from and who don't really belong in the industry, so to say, in the way that, what I mean. And, coming from outside, say, they actually represent a collective aspirations of all the other people who are dreaming. And if they do well in their life, they sort of get a hope that, well, we as an outsider can also do. We can also make it big in the creative industry. But when that doesn't happen, people do get disappointed. What do you have to say to them?
I think I've learned it the hard way because शुरू में मैंने भी, like I told you before, I really crave success, money and everything. So eventually, like, in fact, I read something from what I think, if I'm not wrong, Jim Carrey. He said that I wish everyone becomes super famous and makes a lot of money, becomes super rich, so they can realize that that is not the answer. Because it's never about that you will be happy because you've become successful. Happiness comes from a lot like a lot more than just like like successful professionally. So people who are like that, like who are like me, who've come from no background at all, the only thing I would say is, ek to, if you're already here acting or if you want to come, don't take it too seriously. Don't let it affect you so much that it really changes you as a person. Like don't try to do things which you are not like comfortable with or which you are not. Don't try ki ye sab kar rahe hain, so it's going to work for me. The only thing that's going to work for you and that work for me would be that what I am, like who I am. So don't try to pretend to be someone, because जितना pretend हम करेंगे ना, हमारी, like you say ना, रूह खुश नहीं रहेगी. Like you're in, like from within yourself you would never be happy if you're trying to pretend to be someone else. So always try to be yourself, और फिर होगा जो होगा देखेंगे.
But people can still say, na, we are trying to be ourselves and we are trying to get into a creative industry and we also want to do well. So because ये काफी मतलब ये दिखता है कि 50-50 का balance होना चाहिए. It's not like, just because you are a star kid, you can't act, or you're not, like you shouldn't, or you should be shamed. Of course, that shouldn't happen. That is a very wrong, I think, approach if people start to attack star kids, so to say. But at the same time, their emotions from where they're coming, that there is not the representation as much as it should be. So I think that is also justified in some way. So if you say that when you're saying ki, you when you get the fame and money, you realize this is probably not what you need. But then people can say, well, yeah, so give me that first, and then probably I'll realize, and then what about that? So it sounds more like, won't you say more like stay pacified because you're an outsider, just like, but not really a reassurance.
Yeah, so I would say you're correct. Like सब बोलेंगे कि यार हाँ ठीक है, हमें सीखना है, खुद ही तुम पैसा दो, फेम दो, और हम अपने आप सीखेंगे. It could be that. हाँ कि मतलब ठीक है, जिम कैरी ने बोला ना, but उसके पास पैसा है, so उसने सीखा ना वहाँ से. So I agree to that point. But here the only thing is कि it's not wrong to want those things. It's not like today I'm a saint. It's not like I am a minimalist. It's not like कि मेरे को luxuries पसंद नहीं है. I would buy a new phone when it launches and things like that. It's not that I don't do those things, but don't let these things overpower you. like wanting these things can be a want for sure. You want success, you want fame, everyone wants money and sab chalta hai, but don't want it to an extent where it becomes the reason for your happiness. like उसी से तुम्हारी जिंदगी चल रही है, वहां पे वो गलत हो जाता है. Otherwise there's obviously nothing wrong. हमें चाहिए तो चाहिए भाई, ठीक है. Like if you want to travel, you need money to travel, right? If you want to go to a
Of course.
coffee shop, you want to buy a coffee, you want money for that. But then yeah, don't become someone जो कि ये नहीं है तो मैं खुश रह ही नहीं पाऊंगा. That's my point somewhere.
Yeah. So coming back to what we were talking earlier, that you have learned a fair share of lesson and you've had your own experiences. So I really want you to talk about it. What were those experiences after Udan? Because as a good, you have been exceptionally well in Udan, and everybody knows it. Knows it. Then why won't we expect such a versatile actor to appear more on screen later on?
So एक तो I think my first love is always acting. It's not the money that drives me, first of all. So one reason, I could have been seen at a lot of places after Udan, but according to my knowledge, limited knowledge, what I had, I felt those scripts were not up to the mark. So I said no to a few projects because in our industry, or I don't know if it's in the West also, but in our industry I can say, if one Udan becomes a success, there are 10 people wanting to make another Udan. If one Dil Chahta Hai becomes a cult film, then there are 10 guys wanting to make 3 friends on a trip to Goa kind of a film. Okay? So I got a lot of offers like that, which was like, for me, they were films, they were scripts which were not very there or interesting, but then people just wanted to make it because अरे ये चलता है, यही चल रहा है आजकल. So I couldn't do it because as an artist, I feel my prime focus has to be the script and the content. If I'm not happy with that, मैं set पे जाके खुश नहीं रहूंगा. So that could be one of the reason कि मैं शायद पैसा लेके कर लेता तो आप लोगों को मैं बहुत दिख जाता. But I didn't do it because मुझे लगा कि मेरे needs limited है, तो मेरे को पैसा भी limited ही चाहिए. तो एटलीस्ट आई डू क्वालिटी फिल्म्स बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट पीपल टू से कि अरे ये लड़का उड़ान में बहुत सही था एंड फिर देखो क्या किया है. आई डिडंट वांट टू फील दैट बिकॉज दैट वुड मेक मी फील वर्स. So that could be one of the reasons. At the same time, I was offered a lot of non-consequential characters or parts. So जहाँ पे, like for example, a A-lister or a star is there in the film and you want me to be there, but be there is in not a supporting character. Like I'm not supporting that character. I'm just there.
The character has an identity of its own.
Nothing. I'm just there because they wanted another person there, so I'm just there. And then people said कि अरे but आप पूरी पिक्चर में हो, तो मुझे पूरी पिक्चर में होना नहीं है. I want to add some value to the project I want to be a part of. So these are few of the things which could be the reason. At the same time, obviously, I did not get bombarded with scripts after Udan. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को 50 scripts आ गई और मैंने सारी मना कर दी. So I didn't even get those many offers at that point. So yeah, that these could be few of the reasons I feel.
I feel I've lost you again.
अच्छा, I can hear you.
थोड़ी थोड़ी आवाज आ रही है, तो चलेगा.
अच्छा, आपका I think earphone is not working, I guess.
It's like, yeah, I don't know. Wait, I as long as people are able to hear you, one.
Yeah, guys, can you hear me? Acha, they can hear.
Can you say something now?
Yeah, now I think you'll be able to hear me.
Yes, perfect. Cool. So I lost you for the last like 3 or 4 seconds, but I think people have heard you, so that is okay.
Yeah,
I've already talked
मुझे भी
enough.
मुझे भी नहीं याद मैंने क्या बोला था लास्ट 3-4 सेकंड में, but yeah,
कोई बात नहीं. I got a whole gist of it anyway. So, Rajat, you have, I mean, the recent video that you put out on your Instagram really resonated with people, and people could actually relate with what you're saying. And, like you've actually been able to pacify people in terms of the anger that they were showing otherwise and blaming the directors of the industry and all of those things. So could you also talk about that a little bit once again?
So एक तो again, like I would again want to say कि like I don't uh, for my personal me not being a part of so much after Udan, I'd never relate these things to just nepotism. Like it's a word, I understand the word, it exists not just in Bollywood, it exists everywhere. But I can't entirely blame just that कि यार उनको काम नहीं मिलना चाहिए, एक स्टार किड है उसको काम नहीं मिलना चाहिए, तुम आउटसाइडर को क्यों नहीं देते, right? because
But
because I
nepotism,
feel
like ये मतलब nepotism is not exactly like तुमको काम नहीं मिलना चाहिए. It's more
I
like,
know. No.
yeah.
I'm not saying nepotism is bad. Nepotism, I understand. But I'm saying, like, right now, after the video, whatever I read so far, whatever people are
Yeah.
messaging me, because especially with my second video, after that, a lot of people, they abused me a lot. Then at the same time, they connected with me a lot, some people. Then also a lot of people wanted to make, like, tell me what their version is, why they are targeting or telling that this person should be blamed or that person should be blamed. So I understand all of that, but I feel it's unfair somewhere to blame. Like, for example, I'll give an example because I love that actor, a Ranbir Kapoor. Like, a Ranbir Kapoor comes from a family where his father is late Mr. Rishi Kapoor, right? So now, what is his fault that he's born in a family like that? I think he is one of the finest actor we have of this generation. Ranbir Kapoor is a supernatural and brilliant actor. So now it's not Ranbir Kapoor's mistake that he's born in a family like that. So now you can't say,
Privilege.
yeah, now you can't say कि उसको, like for example, right now in the entire lockdown situation, you can't blame me कि अरे वो देखो सड़क पे एक आदमी भूखा सो रहा है. Like it's not my like my mistake that I'm born in a family जहाँ पे मेरे को at least like खाना मिल रहा है. So that way, now again coming back to nepotism, yes, it exists. It could be that people prefer giving roles to an actor because he comes or she comes from a certain background. So अब उसमें as an actor, I don't have a say. I would be helpless when it comes to that. I can't decide for someone कि मुझे they should cast me for something. Even though if I feel like, if for example I know about a casting, I know about someone making a film, and I know that part I can really fit and I want to try for it, I can't force anyone to cast me for that. I can't force a big director or someone, a producer, to take me in a film. So I don't know how much of a say I would have or I can have when it comes to that. एंड आई थिंक मैं थोड़ा भटक गया आपके क्वेश्चन से. आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था वहां पर?
मैं अपना क्वेश्चन भूल गई.
हाँ, but this is what I feel. It's not entirely it's not in my hand, so I can't be like कि मेरे को इसलिए नहीं मिल रहा या मुझे ये ऐसे करने से मिलेगा काम. I can just be true. The only thing that's in my hand is how true I am to my art. That I don't want to compromise on. तो अगर मुझे कोई बहुत बड़ा डायरेक्टर भी अगर मूवी ऑफर कर रहा है जहाँ पे आई एम नॉट हैप्पी एज एन आर्टिस्ट, I would not do it. I've rejected that, and I would reject it 100 times over. So that's something I can do. I can be.
See, we were talking about, I think, privilege. ठीक है. So outsiders और star kids, उसमें difference I think यही होता है कि that if if you belong to a particular background, you do get a second chance even if you mess up the first time. But as an outsider, probably not. Like, you have only one chance. That is what it is. And even after you do get that, even after you do well, and you are like I would say, the quintessential example of that, you can't really be sure कि future में क्या रखा है, क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, types. So okay, Rajat, I want to ask you, what are your plans for the future?
So I coming to your point एक बार कि I agree कि it's easier, I would say. It's not like it's a short thing कि if you're a star son, star daughter, you will get successful. But yes, you get chances easier. You might get a second chance.
That is what That is what privilege is, isn't it?
Yes,
You
yes,
get
definitely,
chances. Now you're going ahead and prove. So that is what everybody is looking for. ये काम तो हमें
definitely.
सबको आता ही है. एक chance तो हमें हमें चाहिए. People are not privileged enough कि उन्हें मिल जाए वो chance.
I totally agree. So that I can't deny because I know that exists. It's easier for if you come from a certain family, it's easier for you to, if the film doesn't work, still get another chance. Or even small little things like you being seen anywhere. Like even I would say media, for example, two people coming with two different films, one an outsider and one coming from a family which is known. If they go to a party, then their films have worked equally. For example, if one person goes to a party, is on the red carpet, they would any day get more attention than the outsider, because with your stardom you are also carrying a lot of your father's or your someone's stardom, so you're already a star. Even before your first film comes out, people on the road, they know you. And on the
Yeah.
other hand, if someone who's not from a certain background, like, you have to prove that point to for people to know you. You have to, like, make yourself visible, or through your art, through your performance, whatever. And if the film doesn't work out, then you'll really really have to work hard to be able to get another one. So that's true, that I'm not even denying. Now, if I can do anything about it, no. And coming back to your question, is
So what I was
what are my plans?
I'll tell you why I asked this question from you is, if you look at the kind of films that are doing well now, it's more like, people are looking for stories, more than the star figure. They're looking for storyline. They look, every character has got their individual identity and all of those things, and it's really evolved the film, the kind of films, that are doing well now, and from, if you compare it with the kind of films that you used to do well. So that is where I'm coming from, which is why I wanted to ask you, now that you see the kind of films doing well, what are your prospects and your future plans in
So,
Bollywood?
yeah, so I agree to this point. There's the cinema, and the entire setup has changed massively right now. So in the past 5 years, I think things are changing for the better. Uh, so there's a lot of opportunity that you can get, which maybe you would not get in 2010, right? So that's why, even with the entire OTT platform coming in, so there's a big boost in people now investing on someone who's not a star, who they are looking out. Like, for example, a Patal Lok, a Jaideep Ahlawat as the face of the show, as the lead. And there are other people who are equally important, and everyone is a great actor, and they are investing in people who, like, now, for character of Mumbai Cop, Jaideep Ahlawat, he looks like he can be that cop. Now, if you take someone who looks so fancy and polished, doesn't make
Yeah.
sense. So in that sense, definitely it's changing, and that's an amazing thing, because even for someone like the bracket where I see myself fitting in, I see a lot of scope for me as an actor. I have been doing a lot of web recently, so the good part about that is, ek to you're doing something which is, as an actor also, it's making you happy. At the same time, it's keeping you financially stable, so which is also important, obviously, because Bombay is an expensive city. You need money to survive, and no matter what you do, you, at the end of the day, you do need a little bit of money to survive, right? So web scene has given a lot of people uh, a lot of hope. I feel like a lot of people now feel, yes, I think now is the time when we might get something, and
The time
also they
aa
are getting, हाँ, कि अपना टाइम आ गया है अभी. uh, at the same time, Bollywood, I would still not do anything that I'm not happy with as an artist. So अभी भी मुझे इतने offers नहीं आए हैं कि I would say that I'm flooded with offers. But then when it comes to films, I would still want to do something which I'm really I can be very passionate about when I'm on a set. I don't want to go on a film set feeling कि अरे ये तो करने के लिए कर रहे हैं. So that needs to, I hope even that like that happens soon, because abhi OTT platform pe the change is coming, but with film still there's a lot of money and there's a lot of things going on. So I really hope people start taking actors who they think they can pull off certain character.
Absolutely. So one thing that you always say is, Rajat, and you've said it quite often, even in your videos, that nobody really came up to you to ask how much have you progressed in these 10 years. That
Yeah,
is what
yeah.
I want to ask you. You tell us how much have you progressed in these 10 years.
एक तो वो मैंने वीडियो में बहुत वोकल हूँ अपने इमोशंस को लेके, सो आई कांट होल्ड बैक. जब मुझे आई एम वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट समथिंग, आई एंड अप सेइंग इट. मैं झूठ नहीं बोल पाऊंगा. तो मैंने वो वीडियो जब बनाया तो इट वाज जस्ट इन अ फ्लो, आई सेड सर्टेन थिंग्स एंड पीपल रियली कनेक्टेड विद दैट. सो उसमें मैंने ये
Yeah.
बोला था कि how many of you. So it's not like I have amazing set of people around me, my family and friends. Obviously they care about what I am. They've seen the growth. But then, yes, I have grown a lot since Sudan, because I will tell you, like, I'll divide it. In the first 5 years after Udan, I was still like looking out for a lot of materialistic happiness. So till I would say 2014, 15, I was still very unhappy about me not getting a lot of work, and I was comparing myself with a lot of other actors of my time. कि यार देखो उसको मिल रहा है, and that would affect me. So somewhere that did affect me. I would feel bad about certain things. कि यार जब उड़ान बेस्ट फिल्म थी, विक्रम बेस्ट डायरेक्टर था, तो how can the actor not be a good actor or someone worthy of another film? Like it was like कि like maybe you give me a few chances before you decide that this guy is not worth it, right? So I had a lot of that angst and that those emotions shuru mein for those few years. And in 2015, two very amazing things happened to me. One, I read The Alchemist, which is a Paulo Coelho's book. And since then I never used to read books. So then I started
It's a very
reading.
slow book, though.
Oh, it's an amazing. It's not slow, bro. It's amazing. Like I can live by
I've
that
read
book.
it.
It's such.
Yeah, but I thought it's like super slow.
I,
You
I feel
like really
it's
have
such
to.
a beautiful flow of that book, and
It
also
is. It's definitely.
I reread that book so many times. I keep reading every now and then, and also started reading other spiritual books. And the other thing that happened to me was I saw a movie called Into the Wild, and I started backpacking. I started traveling a lot. So these two things, they really, really changed me. And the growth I was talking about is because it started in 2015, and in 2020 today, I would say I'm so much at peace. Like, even though career wise you would see there's not, like, obviously I've been doing a lot of web recently, so a lot more people have seen me, but then it's not about the work, it's about internally. I'm much happier, I'm at a much calmer space. I talk to people, telling them about how sometimes people also feel कि अरे बहुत philosophical हो रहा है या बहुत ज्ञान हो रहा है या वो. I genuinely live by those things, and they've actually helped me. So when you see things in the bigger picture, when you see कि यार ये तो 3 दिन की खुशी है, आगे अगर आपको लाइफ में खुश होना है तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे तुम्हें खुद से ही खुश होना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इफ यू कांट मेक योर ओन सेल्फ हैप्पी, you can't make the world happy. And the idea is to make everyone around me happy. So these kind of ideologies, they came 2015 onwards, and it grew, and I kept exploring and accepting new ideas, concept. So today these things what affected me before 2015, envy, jealousy, it's not like I'm envy free, मैं बुद्धा तो बन नहीं गया. So अभी भी गुस्सा आता है, कभी बुरा फील होता है about certain things, but then they don't have that impact on me. I experience those emotions, I understand, and then I talk myself out of those emotions. So now things are much easier when it comes to handling my emotions. So that is the growth I was talking about when I said no one asked me, because that is the growth I feel we all should at some point explore.
Definitely. So, like you said that you made peace, and you studied a lot of philosophy, you traveled a lot, and that did really make you progress emotionally, I would say, and all of those things. But at the same time, I think not everybody is as strong as you, or you can say as receptive of all the calm and all the peace and philosophical quotes and books and all of those things. So how much do you think it is important, especially now, especially in 2020, how much do you think it is important for people to take care of each other and to take care of, people, just like check up on them and, hope you're doing good, do you want to talk, did you drink water, just little tiny things.
It is important at some point, and I agree कि सब कोई मेरे को भी एक दिन में समझ नहीं आई कि it's not like how Buddha got enlightenment in like it was a process, right?
Yeah.
So एक तो है start with that process, like start understanding or trying to understand these things, because eventually at the end of the day when you actually need someone, सबसे पहला इंसान जो आपके साथ होगा, that would be your own self. Like because अगर खुद को you can't make yourself feel better, no one else would be there, because every time every person can't be there. Then secondly, after that video I got a lot of messages where people said कि अरे यार तुम एक्टर्स का हमें थोड़ी चेहरे पे दिखता है, लाइक सुशांत हमें आके थोड़ी बोल रहा था कि मैं डिप्रेस्ड हूँ, या तुम तो हमें रिप्लाई भी नहीं करते. So what you just spoke about, talking to each other and taking care of each other, is not taking care of a celebrity or an actor or anyone. Taking care of those few close people around you, like seeing, I personally, I might be completely wrong when I say this, but I feel anyone who's depressed, they will always try and give you signs. They will always try to tell you that it's hurting, I'm hurting, I feel bad, through their social media, through their words, through the music they're listening to and putting it online. Anywhere you might just catch signs from your close ones, because you know them very well. ऐसा नहीं है कल को मैंने कोई sad song लगा दिया तो मैं depressed हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. But
Of
especially
course.
people you know closely, you would understand where they're coming from. So catch on those signs and be there for people who are very very close to you. You don't have to call your, जैसे I've been getting so many calls in the past few days. Everyone is trying to check on you, right? So people even
Yeah,
जो,
that is another problem.
हाँ, like some, like a lot of my friends, they've got annoyed. They're like कि we are annoyed with people. कई लोग तो पता है क्या है, they're forwarding messages, and if you're actually depressed, you are getting a forwarded message जहाँ पे 100 लोगों को तुमने यही सेम चीज भेजी है. I hope you are good, I really love you. So मतलब it doesn't make sense. Be there for, actually there for each other.
Genuinely be there.
और
Yeah.
पता है यहाँ पे even people are sending, I'm not saying they're wrong, because the intent is right. They are
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
trying to be there. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बेचारे कुछ बुरा कर रहे हैं. It's just that sometimes it might be annoying to a person who is actually maybe depressed. क्योंकि I've personally spoken to people who are depressed, and I've learned one thing.
Yeah.
People when they're depressed, they always don't want to hear ज्ञान कि अरे strong रहो, it's all in your head, तुम कर सकते हो. They're like, we know all these things, we are still hurting. So it's
Absolutely.
very important to get medical help. जैसे हम बुखार के लिए हम जा रहे हैं डॉक्टर के पास, हमें मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए भी जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट अगेन हमारी कंट्री में इट बिकम्स अ बिग डील कि अरे XYZ पर्सन पागल हो गया. It's not that. Like depression, mental health, it's not about you're mad, it's about things they emotionally affect you more than they would affect another person. So
The whole
taking,
spectrum.
yeah, so taking help is genuinely a good idea. I would never be ashamed if I feel certain emotions too much और मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरे को affect कर रहा है. I would go to a psychiatrist or a therapist. It's fine, it's not a big deal. So people really need to understand कि अगर तुम्हारे आसपास कुछ हो रहा है तो you make people feel comfortable and make them believe कि it's okay, I'm there with you. So yeah, I think we need to do that.
And now especially more, because I think everybody, even if even if you don't say that it's like a legit mental health problem, everybody's still having some sort of anxiety at some point in time. They're missing
I
home, they're away
personally,
from
I
home.
do. I
Array,
personally,
same.
I've been having it.
Same. Yesterday I was lying down in bed and just like annoyed for no reason. And then I was like, I don't want to talk to mom because then she'll freak out. I probably want another person who acts like my mom, but not my mom, and should be pampering me. So, all sorts of crazy things I think are happening to everyone around us.
Yeah, because
So,
right now none of us are used to being at home 24/7 for 3 months. So it's very, very
Yeah.
normal and it's fair to get affected somewhere. So even for me, there are days when I'm anxious. There are days when I don't know future में क्या होने वाला है. So it emotionally affects me. And especially whatever happened with Sushant for those few days, Irfan Khan was one of my all-time favorite. Like he was a big inspiration to me. So when Irfan Khan passed away, it affected me really. Like for 2-3 days, I could not think about anything at all. So you know, there are situations that normally अगर लाइफ नॉर्मल चल रही होती, अभी लॉकडाउन नहीं होता, तो दे वुड नॉट मे बी अफेक्ट अस इतना जितना इट्स अफेक्टिंग राइट नाउ, बिकॉज यू आर ऑलवेज सराउंडेड विद, एंड सोशल मीडिया पूरे दिन फ्री हो तो 24 घंटे सेम चीजें दिख रही है. सो एक तो सोशल मीडिया कम कर दो. इफ एनी टाइम यू आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड, आई थिंक कट डाउन ऑन योर सोशल मीडिया यूसेज, बिकॉज वहां से बहुत दिमाग में चढ़ती है चीजें. सो
Absolutely.
या
बस
और
वही,
पता
आई
है,
थिंक दिस इज द
सोशल
टाइम
मीडिया,
where you, yeah.
I sorry, I want to pick up one point from the comments only, कि सोशल मीडिया पता है हम इतना कर देते हैं, राइट? वी आर टॉक अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ एंड वी आर मेकिंग इट सो इम्पोर्टेंट राइट नाउ, व्हिच इज,
फैशनेबल बन गया है.
हाँ हाँ, बट एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ ईच अदर एंड बी काइंड एंड एवरीथिंग, और सब बोलते हैं. बट स्टिल पता है, यू नो, सोशल मीडिया हैज गिवन पावर टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू से व्हाटएवर दे वांट. So you know, even in the comments, I can see so many people abusing, because you know, they can easily see कि अच्छा XYZ person की रजत बरमेचा स्क्रीन पे है, वो पढ़ सकता है और हम गाली दे सकते हैं. So we are powerful. So you know, you get that power feeling of abusing people कि अरे I abused that person, he couldn't do shit. I feel it's not going to affect me, but it might affect someone. Like आप लोग गाली दे दोगे, बट उस इंसान को हो सकता है वो दिल पे ले ले, क्योंकि मे बी उस दिन कोई बुरा दिन चल रहा होगा, जिस दिन वो गाली पढ़ के उसको लगेगा कि यार नो वन लाइक्स मी. So
Yeah.
you know these small little things. Hi Shinir, hi Shinir. Shinir is my cousin's son. he's there. So these things, they really can affect. Like so please guys, it's a request. मेरे को गालियां दे रहे हो, मेरे को समझ आ रहा है, मेरे को दिख रहा है. But don't abuse people and don't say mean things, because this might affect someone. Yeah, Manbeen said focus on the positive things. So please focus on the right things, guys. Just because you have power, don't abuse people.
अभी मैं वही कहने जा रही थी कि मतलब यू नो, आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट द टाइम टू क्रिटिसाइज पीपल एंड टू लाइक अब्यूज देम. दिस इज द लास्ट थिंग दैट यू वुड वांट टू डू. Like, you know, you are at one you know point you're fighting for Sushant's you know, उसको justice मिलना चाहिए, ये करो वो करो, और उसमें फिर तुम दूसरे को गाली दे करके बोल रहे हो कि अरे whatever XYZ तुम.
That's the exact same thing that happened with my second video, because I said it's not right to abuse Karan Johar. And with that, a lot of people said, अरे you are supporting him. क्या तुम्हें अच्छा ये वीडियो बना दिया था कि तुम्हें पिक्चर मिल जाएगी? हाँ, अभी स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 3 में जैसे तुम्हें ही ले रहे हैं. सो यू नो, अगर मुझे वो करना होता, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो मैं 10 साल का वेट नहीं करता, मैं पहले ही साल में ये करता, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सेकेंडली, we are fighting for something which is that Sushant was made to feel cornered. I'm not supporting anyone. I'm not against anyone. I'm not कि अरे आप खुद को तो समझना चाहिए, nepotism है, हम इनको खत्म कर देंगे. करो, everything is fine. Your actions, everything works. If you have certain emotions against someone, it's fair. It's wrong to abuse them to a personal level and pull them down to a level where you never know how much it's going to affect that person. We spoke about things affecting Sushant. At the same time, if things are affecting XYZ person, we are repeating the cycle. We are doing the same thing to another person. So that I said was wrong. Otherwise, if you, like, for example, if you don't like any of my things or any of my projects, tell me that Rajat, okay, XYZ project, we hated you. It's fine. You being critical about my work is fine. Now, abusing me personally, that is wrong. Like, because that's also I said in my video ki people need to differentiate between someone's profession and an individual. Like a bad film, if I do it, that doesn't define me as a person. Maybe इंसान तो मैं ठीक हो सकता हूँ ना. So there's no point abusing me for a film I did because you can. Those were the points I wanted to make at that point.
Yeah, basically ये कि accountability अगर आपको लेनी है, you know, you are free to ask questions and ask the right questions, and I think it's important as well. But then that shouldn't become violent in a way that you start abusing or you know you know what I mean.
Yeah,
And one more thing that people have been doing is like they've been like hurling homophobic slurs. That is unimaginably pathetic.
that's insane because uh, we are in a world like we are 2020 में जहाँ पे इतना social media है. People एकदम छोटे से छोटा गांव, like I come from a village, like I was born in a village in Rajasthan. Even there every single person has a smartphone. You are flooded with knowledge, and I feel with these things, our ancestors, our grandparents, they were much more sensible than a lot of people right now. Like, when I have these discussions with my grandfather, like he has better things to say than a lot of people on online. Like अगर मैं कभी कहूँगा कि कोई हिंदू मुसलमान की बात होगी, if I talk and if I discuss with my grandfather कि ऐसा हो रहा है दुनिया में, so my grandfather would tell me कि पर इसके लिए क्यों लड़ाई हो रही है, क्योंकि just because a person is born in a particular family, he comes from that religion. Otherwise, he is a person, right? Like you and me. So then why are they fighting? And I'm like, exactly, like you can understand this, but a lot of people my generation are not understanding that. So again with homophobia, it's a world we live where so much of knowledge, like we are flooded with knowledge and wisdom, but at the same time some people still, and I'm sure a lot of people, they even don't care. They just want to say things for saying it, for a
For
certain
the
number
sake of
of
it.
likes or certain number of comments. People do a lot of things just to be visible online. So homophobia is the, like, it should not even be a discussion right now. We are in a world like that कि ये तो बात ही नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि दो इंसान अगर एक दूसरे से प्यार कर रहे हैं, it doesn't matter, at least प्यार तो कर रहे हैं. Like that's what should be the important part. So yeah.
Absolutely right. So we have generation gap with our own generation that has been established. But yeah, so I would, of course, this was a really great conversation, Rajat. Thanks for
Yes.
saying yes to this, and I really wish you all the best for
Thank
the future, and I really hope to see you on screen, creating some like much more magic and doing like even greater films that you did, and all of those things. So I think, yeah, that is what it is. Do you have anything to say for the Logical Indian?
Uh, so first of all, I will talk to you what you said. Ki thank you, Apurva. It was really, really fun. There were things they needed to be said. Uh, I could have shied away from them, but then not addressing things would not make them disappear. So we need to address things before they can be. That will bring change, and we are the. I always say one thing: our generation, we are a beautiful generation. Like our generation, we realize there needs to be a change. So even realization is a big thing. So now once we've realized our generation is capable of doing amazing things, so together we can. अभी भी मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि ये जो जितनी भी नेगेटिविटी या गालियां या दिक्कतें हैं, वो अभी भी बहुत परसेंटेज में कम है. Like majority of the people still want good for one another, so which is a beautiful thing. So thank you. I'm glad I could talk about all these things because of you. And about the Logical Indian, you guys do some real good journalism, because otherwise a lot of people, they do for the views and numbers. You guys actually want to do because you want to bring a change and you want to say and speak up for the right things. So thank you. I'm so glad you guys and we could make this work. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Rajat. Thank you so much. This means a lot. Hoping for more conversations in future. I am not just going to leave you here. Probably I'll call you again sometime and we'll sit down for some more meaningful conversations, because I absolutely admire you a lot for you being vocal about critical things in a mindful way and not really sensationalizing stuff. So I really appreciate you for that.
Thank you. That's the entire idea, because sensationalize करके तो फिर हम we are being a part of the problem. Things
Yes.
they need to be real. And before I go and let you go, I saw it on your story. You have a 7 number का चश्मा. It's insane.
I do.
It's
I
insane.
do.
I saw it. I saw a little bit of your profile before I came here to talk to you, and it's -7 is crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm practically blind, and I said that इसके बाद अगर नंबर बढ़ा मेरा तो सीधा टेलीस्कोप प्रिस्क्राइब होगा.
I know. मेरा
उसके
-5
नीचे
था.
कुछ.
मेरा -5 था when I was younger. I got my eyes
I don't know,
operated.
for some reason I feel proud of it. Like जब कोई आके मुझसे कहता है हमारा 5 है 6, मेरा 7 है bro. I don't talk to people. You know, low lives I don't talk to.
या
So
कि यहाँ
yeah.
पे मैं आगे हूँ तुमसे. तुम्हारा 5 है, मेरा 7 है. But thank you,
Yes.
Purva. It was really, really fun talking to you, and I'm glad we
Yes.
could touch upon topics which were needed.
Yes. Thank you so much, Rajat. Pleasure.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
अब आवाज इतनी अच्छी आ रही है, ये क्या मतलब है भाई?
Bye.
चलो. Bye, Rajat. Bye. Take care. All right, guys. So that was Rajat Barmecha. We hope to see him, more of him in future. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this conversation. For more, subscribe to The Logical Indian. Stay tuned and stay safe, and take care of yourself and take care of each other and spread smile. All right, guys. Bye. Take care.